What's good, guys? It's me again, back with another video. As you guys could probably tell by the title, you already know what the shoes are. You can tell by the bag, you already know where I got them from. So let's just get straight into it. Why is it coming out red in the camera? No, it actually is red. Ignore me. For a second I thought it was going to be an orange box, but Vapormax Plus, UK 11, Cargo, Khaki, Sequoia Clay, Green, Khaki Cargo, etc, etc. Let's get straight into it. So this is the TN Vapormax mashup in the Khaki colorway. I did try them on in store, which is why the lace is looking like that. Let's see. Let's get the box out of the way. You lot don't really care about the box, do you? We've got to take it L sometimes. That's the first one. So let me sort this out. There we go. So as you can see, you've got the green or the Khaki colorway with the Cargo. So let me just stabilize this thing. All right, cool. So yeah. You've got the Khaki Vapormax TN, you've got the gold accents, got the gold on the front of the toe box, on the tongue as well. And on here, and the tongue it says, one second, there you go, Air Vapormax Plus. My favourite thing about this is the bottom, that gold. It's so shiny, you can probably see me in that. The one thing that is a bit off-putting is if you see, you catch it right there, is the sole is not really a khaki, it's more of a grey, a see-through grey blue kind of colour, but from a distance it all blends in, so it's not really that big of a deal. Oh, I didn't see that. On the inside it says VM Air, where normally it says TN, this one says VM for Vapormax. As far as this compares to the original Vapormax, I probably prefer these as far as fit. If you have a pair of Vapormax originals, whatever size you are in them, you probably want to, I'd say, go up half a size because of the rubber here. It's going to push your toe back a bit, and then here is quite padded as well. There's quite a lot of padding, so I would say these are more comfortable. They're a bit more fitted, a bit more snug. They're a bit more trendy as well, just as far as the design goes. TNs are in now. I remember when I was younger, I had loads of pairs of TNs, so. And I kind of prefer this look rather than, I prefer shoes that look more solid rather than the knit, like Flying Air or like the Ultra Boost knits. I like them, they're comfortable. I still have pairs, I still wear them, but I still prefer like the traditional sneaker, which I consider this to be having like a solid upper, even though this is very soft. It's a neoprene. It's neoprene, and I think this is, I don't know what you would call this. It's not really suede, but what's it called? Nubuck, that's what it is. You've got a nubuck here, you've got the pull tab, got a VM on the back. It's pretty much self-explanatory. There's not too much else that I can really say about the shoe, besides the fact that the bottom looks insane with that gold. The gold really pops on this one. I was going to get the black. If you guys want me to get the black, leave a comment in the description. I'll get them to do a video on them. But I've already got the laceless ones, which if you haven't seen that, check out my channel and watch that video. I unboxed the black laceless ones, so I thought getting another pair of triple black Vapormax would be pretty pointless. But yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Have a good one.